How to turn on hardware acceleration on Google Chrome. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily enable the hardware acceleration mode on Google Chrome. First off, open up your Chrome web browser, and then from here, you're going to have to open up its settings. You can either type in the URL for Chrome settings, or you can find it by tapping on the three lines, and then scroll down until you find the settings menu. Or you could just directly type in this URL, chrome://settings. And now from here on out, you're just going to have to find the System tab on the left side of your screen. It's right below Downloads and Accessibility. Click on System, and you have this option, Use Graphics Acceleration when available. Just make sure that this is toggled on. And you will find this relaunch option. You could either close it out and open it again, or simply click on relaunch. It will automatically relaunch the Chrome for you. Now you can go to this URL, Chrome, and then you type in the : and then type in GPU, hit enter, and you should be able to see this hardware accelerated option. So make sure that this is turned on the graphics feature status. Now you should be able to see this is hardware accelerated. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.